We made it to Disney World. Time to start our next trip. It is raining. We may or may not go to the water park. Hopefully it clears up. We just arrived at Blizzard Beach. We drove over. Every Disney resort guest on their arrival day, you get a free water park pass. And you can get free towels in the water park with that as well. You can choose Typhoon Lagoon or Blizzard Beach. It's just smooth sailing. Nothing crazy. You can ride up to 5 people. I don't know. Almost at the finish line, I think. Woo! Woo! We landed. I'm on the Runoff Rapids. We had fun, we did some slides, mostly relaxed, and now we are headed back to the resort. It was a good day at Blizzard Beach. We are starting our rope drop day, and it is really raining. So we have our ponchos on. This is going to be a very wet rope drop, but we will make it. We're trying to get to Guardians and ride it a couple times during the first hour of opening. We are rope dropping. The line is really long for the early entry. We're hoping it's not the line for Guardians. We got in line at 8:10 outside, but they didn't start running the ride until about 8:30. So we technically waited 25 minutes if you go from when we started the ride. We're gonna request front row.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man.
Rex!
Good luck! What have we done? I think we jumped back. Oh, Christ.
Thanks, Terry.
And welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We made the right decision. We got in line right away, and it was only really a 30-minute wait. There are people so far back, even before they can enter the building. I'm sure the wait for Guardians now is closer to an hour and a half. It was fun though. We had conga for our song. Now we're headed to Soarin'. We're ready for our flights on Soarin'.
For takeoff. On behalf of our entire flight crew, thanks for soaring with us.
We're trying the peanut butter whoopie pie. Take the first bite, Dad. Did you get a picture? Yeah. Mom was really interested in it. She thinks she's still cruising.
See how it is. Oh, this is good.
Would you put it in your Hall of Fame? Give it 5-star plus.
It's up there. It needs a scoop of ice cream.
Time for me to try.
This is so good. That's just like buttercream.
The vanilla ice cream would make it.
It's very fluffy. We are rope dropping, living with the land. My dad's favorite. Not really. We're just doing this for my mom. It's finally not raining, so we're not using ponchos. And we're walking towards France. My dad wants an ice cream sandwich from there. I guess this is part of lunch or appetizer. We thought they opened at 11. I should have looked on the Disney app. It opens at 12. We have a new plan. We're going to Connection Cafe, eating pizza. Then we'll ride Guardians with our Lightning Lane. And we will come back over for the ice cream sandwich. Had to get a Joffrey's Shaken Jamaican. I'm trying the vanilla today, suggested by my friend Jillian. I really like it. Needed a little energy. My mom and dad are in the smokehouse. I'm gonna go find them. They had to get a bite to eat. They saved me a bite of brisket sandwich. It is so good. We just rode Guardians a second time. We had Disco Inferno, one of my dad's favorite songs. It was even better the second time. Now we're headed to get pizza in the Connections Cafe. Also, the line is really long, 105 minutes. We thankfully had a Lightning Lane. We are sharing the pizza slices. It comes with 2 humongous pizza slices. Really good. I always love coming into Club Cool to grab a couple sips of the sodas. My favorite is the raspberry. I also like the one from the Philippines. We're trying to get the ice cream sandwich again. We're back and they're open. How is it? Vanilla ice cream with chocolates. And how is ours? Double caramel.
got bread.
The ice cream sandwich with the bread is good, but it's a lot of bread and the bread isn't very sweet. My mom and I would prefer the waffle cone or just in a cup. Of that at 2. We don't see what the hype is about these sandwiches. So much bread.
Should be a funnel cake.
Or cinnamon roll. It's time for us to park hop to Hollywood Studios. We have 4 different lightning lanes booked. Rock and Roller Coaster, Tower of Terror, Toy Story Mania, and Rise of Resistance. And we're just sampling different snacks and treats. And we are park hopping. Hollywood Studios is our second park. We're almost to Hollywood Studios. We have a lightning lane for Rock and Roller Coaster. It ends at 2:35. We should make it. It is 2:12. My mom is getting nervous.
I die. I love you all. Just remember that.
This used to be her favorite ride. She will love
Still
it.
my favorite, but I get nervous. My heart's racing.
We requested row 1. And we're next. She's alive, everyone. She made it. We're headed to our next lightning lane, Tower of Terror. And my dad's riding twice. We booked my mom a lightning lane. She doesn't want to ride it ever. So he's going to ride it twice. I booked the multi-pass for lightning lanes and I only booked them for this park because we rope dropped at Epcot. And now as we scan, I can start booking for Magic Kingdom. That's gonna be our next park. We finished our ride. My dad's about to go ride again.
Good ride.
We are heading to our next lightning lane. We booked Rise of Resistance. This one was the individual lightning lane, so it was an additional fee. We're heading there next, and I've already booked Buzz Lightyear and Space Mountain for Magic Kingdom tonight. We still have Toy Story Mania here after Rise of Resistance. Then we might do the Frozen show. The standby line is 50 minutes. That's actually not too bad for Rise of Resistance.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance. Great job, recruits! Thank your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure.
Got my black calf cold brew as Cocoa Puffs, cream cheese. I asked for extra cream cheese and cold brew. We're headed to Toy Story Mania for our next Lightning Lane. I'm trying to beat my dad. We'll see who wins.
Ain't happening. I'm number one.
He does have rules. Number 1, he wins. Number 2, you lose. Number 3, if you forget rules 1 and 2, just remember he wins. I'm gonna break the rules today. And my mom is riding solo.
I'm gonna win.
Just enjoying her time.
Oh,
I won
Phew.
154,900.
protesting.
I'm the winner.
Protesting. The first round didn't even work. Now prove it.
I might ask if we can ride again because the first game didn't work, and I'm the best in the vehicle.
Oh. Redo.
We're doing a redo. They're letting us go again because it didn't work. The first game didn't work. I think I won again. We're about to see what the score is. Winner again!
I'm a big old loser.
I broke his rules. Winner.
I don't like this game.
Still not the best score, but it beat my dad. That's all that counts. My mom had 110,000, she said. The first time we rode, the very first game didn't work. The rest of the games did, but we told them and they asked if we wanted to ride again. And they let us just step off to the side and wait for an available car. And we rode a second time. All the games worked a lot better that second time. So if you ever ride and the games are not working, just let them know and ask if you could ride again, or they might even just invite you to. Hollywood Studios was awesome. We finished with the Frozen show. Time for us to head to Magic Kingdom. I just modified our time for Buzz Lightyear to give us a little more time to grab a snack when we get in there. We have Buzz Lightyear, Space Mountain, and Pirates of the Caribbean booked so far. We're definitely riding People Mover as well. Hollywood Studios was fun. We just arrived at the Magic Kingdom. We're about to go in the gates and head to get snacks first. My dad and mom are headed to Gaston's to grab 2 sweet treats. I'm gonna get the pepperoni spring rolls and then we'll meet out and share. Hi!
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? Perfect, you guys are all set. It finally worked. My dad just found
Look at
$5.
what I found today. I just found laying on the ground a $5 bill. Fixing to go give it to Disney.
My dad got the last creme brulee. He said it was almost a fight to get it, and he got a cinnamon roll. We're at Gaston's, and I grabbed the pepperoni pizza spring rolls.
That was a success. I'll give the spring rolls a 5. I'll give the cinnamon roll a 4 while it was warm, and then a 3 as it got cold. And the creme brulee, I'll give that a 3.5.
Our next ride is Buzz Lightyear. I was gonna say Space Mountain. We're gonna try to beat my dad's score. We might have to add ours together. I got 371,300. What's your score, Dad?
372.
Oh, you beat me! For Dad.
This game really doesn't thrill me anymore because I maxed it out last time we played. So today's score is really not
I
what you're
think I
talking
beat
about.
him.
I ended up getting more than she had, whatever she had.
I don't think so. He's lying. But oh well, we'll give it to him. We're on our way to Space Mountain next.
That was a little fast. My favorite ride.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the People Mover, presented by Emma.
Mover.
I'm Horak Fire.
Our next lightning lane, Pirates of the Caribbean. I've lost count of how many rides we've done today. I requested the back row because we don't want to get wet. We have ponchos on too.
Should we put the hats on?
Yes. We had a successful park hopping day. 3 parks, 1 day, like 12 or 13 rides, and a lot of snacks.
We came, we saw, we conquered, we ate, and now we're done.
We rope dropped until we dropped.
And fireworks too.
We're gonna try to get to the buses quick.